Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement, pronoun, logical meaning. It says Japan's abundant rainfall and typically mild temperature throughout the most of the country have produced a lush vegetation cover despite the mountainous terrain and generally poor soils. It has made possible the raising of a variety of crops. Alright, so it has made. What is mean of it? Is it rainfall or temperature? Look, the sentence says rainfall and temperature have produced a lush vegetation and it has made possible. Rainfall, rainfall and temperature have produced and it has made. Pronoun error, it should be they have made possible the raising of variety of crops. So pronoun error, option A out. Option B, what if it is has, then what will be subject? No doubt, once again, rainfall. So rainfall and temperature have produced and have made possible for them to raise. Alright, so subject verb agreement. Option C, have made is fine. Option D, have made it possible for raising. Alright, so in subject verb agreement is fine, pronoun is fine, but the problem is for raising. Remember, whenever we talk about purpose, it should be to plus verb. So have made it possible. For what reason? To raise a variety of crops. That's why it should be to raise. So option D out. Option E, thus making it possible for them to raise. So here we cannot use two conjunctions together. One is thus and second is and. Alright, so two conjunctions cannot be used together and that's why it is incorrect. Second, it says it seems that temperature and rainfall have made, thus making it possible. So this is not the cause and effect. Cause and effect means what? One action takes place because of another action, that is called cause and effect. So here there is no cause and effect. One happens, then another happens. There are the two different situations and that is why using of making is also incorrect. In short, two conjunctions cannot be used together. That's why option E can be eliminated. Option C remains best option.